Back and thank you for staying with us. We continue with the day's business news. Now, Honda Kenya Chairman Isaac Kalua is calling for enhanced government to support the automotive industry, create at least 5 million jobs. Honda Kenya Chairman, that is Isaac, says 14 out of 29 parts needed for the assembly of a motorcycle are directly and indirectly in the automotive sector.
Currently, these parts are imported from other countries. Policy should drive a very smooth transition of getting us, and I mean smooth, to transition us from moving from importing these parts to making them local. We have been very deliberate. We participated in giving a roadmap of the motorcycle processes so that we can start producing the original 7 parts and the next 7 parts. Now currently we are doing 14 parts.
I think this is the first product to see this kind of a very one country oriented kind of a development. So I'm very confident that this product will give the Kenyan customers lots of joys in the coming times.